Lito the Strong Kid. Lito was born with one leg shorter than the other, which made walking difficult. Despite his condition, Lito was determined to live a normal life and participate in all activities. At school, Lito faced challenges but never gave up. He studied hard and made many friends. Lito's family was very supportive. They encouraged him to pursue his dreams. One day, Lito discovered a passion for sports, especially swimming. Lito trained hard every day, improving his strength and skills. He faced many obstacles, but his determination kept him going. Lito decided to join a local swimming competition to prove his abilities. On the day of the competition, Lito was nervous but excited. As the race began, Lito swam with all his might, focusing on his goal. The crowd cheered for Lito, inspired by his courage and determination. Lito crossed the finish line, not in first place, but with a heart full of pride. The village celebrated Lito's achievement, recognizing his bravery and hard work. Lito's story became an inspiration for everyone, teaching them that with determination and support, anything is possible.